Lifelong learning is not only for our work, for our careers, but it is also about personal fulfillment and growth.
Education always must be a work in progress. We have a key and important mission to upskill our workforce, to help them thrive in an AI pervasive world.
IHLs are very important partners for the SkillsFuture movement. One is we want to co-develop programs to develop a future-ready workforce. Secondly, we want to develop more modular programs so that training can be more responsive to industry needs. Thirdly, what we are looking at is also to have more use of EdTech so that training can be more personalized and training can be more accessible to more people who need them.
If I were to add one thing to our education is we need to be even more internationalist. We need to understand what the concerns of the rest of the world are, and we meet those concerns.
I think it's a great gathering of like-minded individuals and also partners coming together and really have a conversation about lifelong learning.
We can work with Asian countries, pursue a lot of things like green finance, infrastructure co-development, disease controls, public health movement. We want to look into the long term to do good.
But we need to recognize the effectiveness and the payoff to our increasing our employability and jobs is if we live in a world where the pie continues to grow.
Nice to hear the strategic directions from the leaders and also to see the various displays around here. There's a lot of emphasis on AI and how we can leverage on AI. Really a useful tool.
I enjoy the quality workshop. It's very generous amount of knowledge and very interesting sharing by the professors and lecturers.
The enthusiasm that I see from all of the people out here, like trying to transform their journey, no matter what age and what career development stage that they are in. It has been a really fun and inspiring adventure and experience.
We must stay relevant to the changing world and create solutions. Adopt the mindset of constructive dissatisfaction and look for solutions that make life better, not just for ourselves, but for everyone.